how to fix mtkwl6ex.sys blue screen error in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix the BSOD. First of all, disable WAN radio in BIOS. This method is working for most of the users, so follow it. For this, you will need to access BIOS, shut down your computer and then power on your computer. Before loading the Windows logo on the screen, press Escape, Delete, F2 or F12 function key depending on the manufacturer of your device. This will take you on BIOS. Find WAN radio and disable it. Save the changes and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. The next method is update MediaTek Wi-Fi device driver. For this, right-click on Start, select Device Manager, expand Network Adapters, find MediaTek device driver in this list. On my computer, this is not available. Suppose this is the driver, then right-click on it and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Close the window. Close the device manager and then restart your computer. Check if the issue is fixed. If the BSOD still occurs, roll back the network driver. For this, right-click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi driver. I am supposing that this is the MediaTek driver. Click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the previous version of driver in this list and click on Next. After clicking on Next, the previous version driver will be installed. Then close the device manager and restart your computer. If the issue still persists, then right-click on MediaTek driver and select Uninstall device. Click on Uninstall. Close the device manager and restart your computer. During restarting, the MediaTek driver will be again installed, so nothing to worry about. If the BSOD still occurs, there might be corrupted system files on your computer. To fix this, run System Files Checker and DISM command line tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right-click on the result, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find these commands. Run these commands one by one. Copy the first line of command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once completed, copy the DISM RestoreHealth command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. The blue screen should be fixed now. If the issue still occurs, then you will have to perform system restore. To perform system restore, click on Search, type Restore, click on Create a Restore Point, click on System Restore, click on Next. These are restore points in which different dates and times are given. Look for the date and time when the blue screen was not started and select that date and time. Suppose this is the date and time when the blue screen was not started, then select it and click on Next. Click on Finish. click on Yes. Your computer will restart multiple times and the system will be restored. After that, the blue screen will be fixed. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.